Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to community on Nextdoor. To invite people to your Nextdoor community, first of all go ahead and log in to your Nextdoor account. Open up a web browser and type in nextdoor.com in the URL box and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner from the home page and click on the Communities option. Select your community where you want to add people to. And once you open up your community, go ahead and look for the Invite button at the top right. Simply click on it and select from the suggested list of people that you want to invite to your community. After selecting people you want to invite to the community, click on the Send button. You can also use the email option and then enter the email of the specific contact you want to invite. If you have got any personal note, you can type it down in the text box below and click the Invite button in order to add them to your community. Once they accept your invitation, they will be added to the community list. You can also directly copy your invitation link by clicking on Copy Link and send it to a specific person or the people you want joining in to your community. And that is how you can easily invite people to your Nextdoor community. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.